and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a very popular Guyanese dish. Today we are going to be cooking up a delicious bora and shrimp or long bean and shrimp. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have my chopped long bean and I have seasoned my shrimp already with my favorite green seasoning, some Old Bay seasoning and black pepper. You can season your shrimp to your own liking. I have some chopped potatoes. I'll be using some coconut milk. I have some tomatoes, some bell peppers, onions. I have scallions. I have garlic, 1 hot pepper. And for my seasonings, I have some seasoned salt, complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some brown sugar. So here I have my pan preheating. And I now will go in with my shrimp and I will cook this for about 5 minutes because I don't want to overcook the shrimp. So we will cook the shrimp, remove it, and then we'll proceed with the next step. Next, we'll add our brown sugar to the oil and allow the sugar to caramelize a bit. This will add a little bit of sweetness and color to the dish. So once you see the sugar starts to look light brown in color, this is the perfect color you want, because if you allow this to get too dark, it will taste bitter and you don't want that. So now I will go in with my onions, garlic, peppers, tomatoes, and my scallions. I will give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add our bora and potatoes, give it a good mix. Then we will add our seasonings to flavor this up a bit. Then we'll set our lid on here and allow this to cook for about 7 minutes. So at this point, we will now go in with our coconut milk and just a tad bit of water. Guys, if you have not yet tried coconut milk in your bora, you've got to try it. It is simply amazing. It takes your food to another level. It is absolutely delicious. And then we will set our lid on here and allow our bora and potatoes to cook until they are tender. And just make sure you're giving the dish a little stir in between here and there, because you want it to cook evenly, and certain things may be at the bottom. You know, you want to stir it up and make sure everything is cooking the way it should. So now that our potatoes and bora has softened up nicely and our liquid has reduced, we will now add our shrimp here. We will mix this well. And we will allow this to cook in those juices for about 5 minutes, guys. And then we'll get ready to serve. And this is it, guys. This is the end result of my super delicious bora and shrimp. I do hope you guys give this recipe a try. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious bora and shrimp simmered in coconut milk. You can have this with some roti or rice, whatever you like. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!